Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your Feng Shui Guru and Paranormal Expert. Horoscope: Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Thursday, July 4, 2024. Great things happening in the time of Cancer. The evolution of the truth and lies. If you lie, you will be discovered. If you are honest, you may be revered or respected. These polarities will give us wake-up call on what to do with our life, because sooner or later, things hidden will be revealed. People will know. Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw nito ng Huwebes, Hulyo 4, 2024 ay may kinalaman sa saan ka dapat pumanig, sa tama at totoo o sa kasinungalingan at iniimbento lang, na ang katotohanan ay kusang lalabas. May kasabihan nga sa Pilipino, pag walang usok, walang apoy. Magsisimula muna yung usok bago magkaroon ng apoy. Ihanda mo yung sarili kasi malalaman at malalaman kung saan ka nakapanig.